guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. I'm doing my best, y'all. Do my best. I am extremely tired, but it's just a quick video. Today, I'm going to be unboxing this Elemis PR package, and it says, welcome to your glow era, which it's warmer here, so I don't know with my greasy face how much I'm going to want to be glowing, but we'll see. And if you guys remember, I low-key, high-key thought that I was off the PR list because I was because I'm on the ARiiE influencer list, so I don't know, but I'm ready to get into it. Look at this, there's a mess. I'm ready to get into this unboxing, just a quick video today, and if you guys are ready to get into this with me, keep on watching. Here's the box. This mess here, it was me taking off the label that they put on at the UPS store for my mailbox. I don't know why they have to put it right smack dab in the middle. I don't know why they can't just put it over the previous one. I just don't know, right? So there's that. Also, if you guys want, I've been thinking about this, to do like a PO box unboxing. If you guys want to send me stuff to open or share with you guys on camera, no idea what it would be or how it would go. I do have a UPS mailbox in my business that you guys can send stuff to. It is not where I live, so that's fine. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below if that's something that you guys are interested in. I think it would be cool. I don't know what it would be. Some of y'all wild, so who knows. But here it is. It says, Elemis, welcome to your glow era. It's a light box, so I have no idea what's inside. Where's my phone? Because I need to get your prices for y'all. Just back. Alright, so here it is. I just had to get my phone ready to search some of these things. They don't come with the price on it, so I have no idea. But if you guys know anything about Elemis, and if you've seen my other Elemis skincare unboxings, it is luxury, okay? Because I think I have a $130 face cream. So yeah, it gets crazy. They have a little pull tab. Let's see if I could even... Oh! Woo! Did it. Guys, I be struggling. I was just about to say, like, what's the pull tab for? If I can open it. So, this is the Pro Collagen Boost Exfoliator. Here is the package. It's one item in here, y'all. So, this is a really quick video. Sorry, I just never know what's going to be inside. So, here it is. It looks great. I love it. That's one thing that I wish ARiiE would do, would like take more time with the packaging. I know they're being, you know, eco-friendly and recycling, but like for unboxing purposes, if you're sending to influencers, like that's a big deal. But that's just me. So this is the Pro Collagen Glow Boost Exfoliator. Say hello to a refreshed, less congested, and smoother complexion, which I love. Which means that there's gonna be a video of me testing this. From what I'm thinking already, it already reminds me, just from like the picture and like what the texture is supposed to be. I'm thinking it might be like that. I don't know what the brand is called, but it's supposed to be like their micro exfoliant chemical peel face thing. I don't know why I can't think of it, but it was an exfoliant with very small exfoliating beads inside, something very similar to baking soda. I know because I recreated it with lemon juice, baking soda, organic honey, and it just like obviously it worked very well. My skin was fresh, it was brightening, so it was really good. I'm assuming it's that. So it says sharing the same blend of oils, waxes, and aromatics as our iconic Pro Collagen cleansing one, which I have 2 of them. So I'm already liking that. I think the Pro Collagen cleansing balm smell. I'm gonna grab it for you. I have 2 of them. One is the rose and one is the regular one. And the rose smells like rose water lightly. The other one is like kind of like a eucalyptus smell. I'll get it and show you guys right after this. Why not? And it says 100% agreed that the skin texture appeared to be improved. 100%, and then it says like makeup applied more effectively, obviously because you have a smoother base. I'm not going to go through this whole thing, but I do want to say If you have texture skin like I do, products like this definitely help. We're gonna see how well this one works over time. Obviously, I'm gonna do a video giving the first impressions and like how I've been using it over time. Just because skincare is not a one-day thing, it's not a 2-week thing. It is a process that is ever changing. So keep that in mind. Now, I do have a video of how I shave my face. You know, get rid of the peach fuzz. It also helps with exfoliating, and you just have a really smoother base for your makeup. Just your skin just looks better, right? Like my skin right now is has been holding it down for me during these stressful and trying times. So I think it said gently exfoliates to reveal a cleaner, refreshed, less congested complexion. Here it is. We're gonna smell in a minute. I kind of feel bad though. Like it's gonna be a short video because in my last little vlog was really short. It was like 7 minutes, under 7 minutes. That's because there was a lot of footage that I couldn't use. Some of the footage didn't, like, I don't know, like it cut off. Like it was so weird. Like it would show up on my phone, but it wouldn't show up on the computer. I have absolutely no idea why that was happening, but you guys get a little break with short videos right now anyway, so you're welcome. Here are the instructions. It says, gently massage in circular motions onto slightly damp skin. Rinse off with warm water. Obviously, if it's in contact with your eyes, you know, wash that out. Okay, I was just gonna open it, and I'm still gonna do that, but then I noticed that there's a little, you can pop it up. I'm just gonna, for sake of like it being easier to clean. Something about, like, even with lotions, once you're done, you have to make sure all of it is gone so it doesn't get everywhere. So I'm just not dealing with that right now. I'm just not. Okay. It smells like, it smells just like the cleansing balm. There's some in the cap. I'm just gonna take that with my nail because I want to see the texture. It's clear with, you can see the little exfoliating beads, like the size of sugar granules, just to give you guys an idea. And it's like a sugar scrub. I'm gonna be honest with you, that's what it feels like. Like with the oil, you can see that it's shiny. Usually cleansing like anything's, I mean obviously it's going on a dry hand, but you can, there's oils in it. Smells just like the cleansing balm, but it's you guys probably won't be able to see because of the camera angle, but like there's a very visible exfoliants, like little exfoliants, just like I said, like little shards of shards little granules of sugar. So I can see that not only because like you can see the oils, you can just tell how shiny my hand is compared to this one, that it's going to exfoliate but it's not going to dry out your skin, which is really good, which is also why I like to use a cleansing balm to remove my makeup. You just grab that so you guys can see. Okay. All right, so I just went and grabbed the cleansing balm so you guys can see. This is the one that smells like this. So I'm assuming you could use this to get, they could be a collection. You guys know, shut up. So here it is. You guys can, I clean it out very neatly, but I'm in there. I use it whenever I take off my makeup just because I like to melt off the makeup. It's just a lot easier. A little goes a long way. Sometimes I just forget that and glob it on, and that's on me. But when you melt off your makeup that way and you use a warm cloth to wipe it off, it just keeps some of that moisture on your skin. I did work with someone who was also a makeup artist, and she says she just used alcohol to take off her makeup, and I was like, girl, no. But this was way before I even knew anything about makeup. I just knew that was probably really drying out her skin, and that was none of my business. But here is the original Pro Collegen Cleansing Balm. I also have the rose one. You can see the difference. This one, I've never used it. Just the container is pink, but this one I think has more oils. You can just, can you guys see? I hope you guys can see like the little air bubbles. It just looks like oil separating from water, honestly. And this one just smells like rose water. This one you can also use as like a hydrating mask. So they say when you apply it and you rub it in, you leave it on for a little bit and then you can wipe it off, and it'll just add like a little bit more moisture, which is why I think this has a little bit more oils than the original one. But both are just really great for your skin. I haven't used one before. I haven't used the rose one yet, just because like why open a new one when I'm still, you know. But this I think is going to be a great addition. Like after you take off your makeup with the cleansing balm, or you want to use the cleansing balm, you can then go in with this Glow Boost exfoliator, which is not only going to give you radiant skin in texture, but it's going to allow your skin to glow because of the oils inside. And I guess that's pretty much it. I am sorry again. I did not know. I never know. Sometimes it's one product, sometimes it's a couple. Sorry, ARiiE. And I guess like whenever they have new products, I'll be on the, I don't know. I really thought that like the way they just stopped, I really thought that it was because of the ARiiE influencer box, but it's not, obviously. And that's cool, so I really do appreciate that. Thank you, Elemis, for this brand new product. I'm definitely gonna try it probably tonight. Okay, I'm lying to you. I'm going to try it probably in the morning because I should try it at night. The thing is that I'm still not like 100% back on my skincare. I'm just like, the morning I'm really taking care of my skin. At night I'm just like drying it out so that I don't have any pimples. So that's that. I also finished the skin cleanse supplements. So as soon as I have enough products for an empties video, I'll definitely go into talking about that. But I will say that even though I've not been using it every day, I still feel like my skin is not getting as oily as it was before. So that's something to take note of. So that's that. But that is pretty much it, guys. Sorry for the short video, or you're welcome for a short video. No idea. If you like the video, like the video. If you don't like the video, dislike the video. You are free to do as you please here on this channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'm posting on Instagram. I swear I am. I'm trying my best, y'all. I'm trying my best. I'm giving you guys more energy because I'm feeling a little better. I did get my car finally. If you didn't see that last vlog, make sure you go ahead and check it out. While you're at it, check out Just Some Black Guys upload of Back for Blood featuring myself on the gameplay. The dialogue is funny. It gives a hilarious video. It's all funny moments, and yeah, just check it out. I put it on my community tab, but you're only gonna see the stuff on my community tab. Why my phone ringing? It's my photographer. Hello? Yeah, what happened? What happened? Yes. I'm literally filming my video, but they only sent me one product to unbox, so there might be a clip of me on the phone. That's the video. Yeah, I'm done. I was literally doing my intro, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, give me 2 minutes and I'll call you right back. Cool. All right. Exciting video today. No. But go ahead and check out that gameplay. It is hilarious. Something is wrong with me when I play games. Something is wrong with me, but like, you know, I'm just really, really funny. Like, I would marry me. But that's it. If you guys like the video again, make sure you go ahead and like the video. It helps me out a lot. I'm going to try to put more vlog style videos for you guys. Because they do well, but I don't do a lot. And I don't jump with the camera. I'm hoping to go skydiving this weekend. Maybe I'll jump with a couple friends and ask them to have video for me. So that could work. We could do that. I don't wear any makeup. I try to keep things makeup related. And, you know, sometimes. I don't know. But that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.